About this window, content browser, I need to tell you something. When you have a right click on each of these items, you will face with a menu like this, and I'm gonna tell you that what is it for. Let me have a new folder here, or it's better to use this one. Here in material section or others as you like. With a right click, first item is new folder. With a click, you can have a folder inside of this folder as instance, material instance, O1, like this. So in this way we can add two here. Now let's go for next one. Here, show in new content browser. Here with a click, you can enter this window and you can have these contents. This item is for adding or importing some contents. Here you can import some files with different formats. Some files like materials, blueprints, and others. Here show in Explorer, when you select it, you will face with My Computer window. Then you can see the path of this file in your computer and the contents or assets. So this one is for the path. After that, here we have rename. To rename it, and the short key is F2. So we can select this folder which we just made. Then we can have F2 and then we can rename it. Okay, then for example here and the basic or shapes, I want to have a cylinder here. Then a right click here. Let's see what do we have here. Okay, here in basic engine section, I delete this one and then here right click and duplicate, and I name it static mesh O1, and then I click and drag it to this one O1 and then move it here like this, and then drag it from here to content. And as you can see, in this way we can move or copy items with click and drag. And as you can see, we have O1 here. And when you look at here, you see that here it's preparing. Now I can drag it from here to my scene. And we can also add a material here. And then I drag this material to the cylinder to have a material for it. And we need to wait for the process. Okay, now here. Again here, right click. After rename, we have set color. We can have a color with it like this. Right click again. After that here, add to favorite. When you click on this one, it adds this folder to this section, favorites, and then you can control it here like this. You might have many folders here in content, and for example, you want to have some of these contents or assets somewhere to be able to use it faster. So you can use this collection, favorites. The most useful folders and items are here. Then here again right click, remove from favorites. Again right click. Next one, which is really useful, save all, and after that resave all. Save all means here inside of this folder, the assets which are here, I need to have some duplicate from this file right here. Control D here, Control D again here, again Control D, Control D, like this. Okay, then a double click for this one, and then here enable innate support. I activate it, apply, and then I close this one. Okay, then window, here content, and then I open this. This is number 4. I close it. I close this one. Then again here, content. Okay. Right here, pick this one. Then again here, number 1. Let me have this one here. Okay. Here, in this folder, O1, we have O1 here, but we just want to check it here. It's already possible to see the content of this folder here, like this. It should be in column. Okay, see? Here you can see that one of them, which is saved from defaults, and this duplicated. As you can see, they have stars. And now, when I have a right click here, and then when I select Save All, it will save all the items and assets which are inside of this folder, and they're edited. See? Like this. But after that, here we have Resave All. With this item, you can resave all the assets which are inside of this folder. They can be edited or not. So it should be like this.